What's happening, guys? I'm back here with another episode of Best Android Launchers, and generally in this series of video I explore new launchers. So if you have not been through my previous videos, the link to it is in the description. So without wasting any further time, let's go ahead and get into the review. So the first one here is the Yandex.L. This is the Yandex.L launcher. You guys must be knowing about the SPB Cell 3D. It's a 3D launcher, very fancy, that you can get for $16 or something from the Play Store. But this launcher is similar to that launcher, and you can get this launcher for free. So on top you have the widget, the date, day, and the weather widget, which also includes this search bar. So that's a really good add-on. Here you have your shortcuts. You can add additional shortcuts if you want to. Tap and hold it, hit add, and add your applications. You can add widgets, and few of them are inbuilt widgets that you get with this launcher. I'll come back to it in a moment. You also can add additional panels to it, that is additional home screens. On the bottom you have this standard dock. Above that you have these page indicators. So moving on, you have this full paged widgets, similar that you get with the similar to the SPB Cell 3D. You can add additional widgets as well. So here you have your Google News, the weather, and so on. Moving on to the app drawer, here you have all your applications, and from here you can edit your app drawer. If you hit edit, you have additional options to hide your applications, create new folders, and additional stuff. So that's good. You also get a custom dialer with this launcher. So this is the custom dialer. Looks really nice, very simple, very elegant. Moving on to settings. If you get into home settings, you'll get to the launcher settings. So from here you can get into system settings, and from here you can customize your launcher. So under general, you can customize your language. You can add additional language if you want to, as in you can change your language. And from appearance, you can change the look of your launcher. Say for example, right now I have the Yandex.Cell theme. You can enable the SPB Cell 3D. You also can get the contact pictures round or square. This is for your contact list. Again, you can customize your widgets and panels. You have wallpapers, and again you have this dialer. Since we have a custom dialer with this launcher, you can do the customization for your dialer. So that's really nice. That's pretty much it for the settings. So now we have a SPB Cell 3D look, and now if you tap this, you have this 3D kind of view. Alright, very cool. So this is very similar to SPB Cell 3D. So the launcher is very smooth, very simple. If you want this fancy kind of launcher, you can definitely try this. So that's my number one. So guys, the next one here is the 360 launcher. So this is the 360 launcher, and this launcher is very similar to the Go launcher. This launcher also have its own app store, from where you can download custom lock screens and skins for this launcher, that is the themes. So right from the lock screen, you have a custom lock screen. So this is the lock screen that you get, and this is somewhat like the MIUI lock screen. Alright, and here you have your weather widget. We have some Chinese characters on it, but nevertheless, let's just ignore it. And you see this something here. If you pull it down, it changes the wallpaper. It will download the latest wallpaper from the 360 app store. Wait a moment and you'll see the change. So there you see. Again, you have some custom widgets as well that this launcher provides. I'll come back to it in a moment. So here you can see that we have completely different icons, and we have regular home screens, page indicator at the bottom, and the dock. Moving into the app drawer, here you have all your applications, and from here you can do the customization for your app drawer, like creating a folder, hiding applications, and under settings you can change the transition effect, screen scroll loop, grid size and background transparency, and so on. Going back, again, if you tap and hold it, you have additional options to add widgets. So as I've already said, that this launcher provides some additional widgets. Say for example, just a moment guys. Okay, from here you have some additional widgets like the clock weather widget itself. Quick open, I'll come to it in a moment. You have this switcher. This is like the toggles bar, the cleaner, memory cleaner, power management, quick settings, feedback, data traffic, and so on. So I was talking about this quick open. So this is something like the Pi controls. You have 4 sections here. Alright, hot, recent, safe, cleaner, installed. You can customize this as well so that you can add your favorite applications that you use the most. So to customize it, you must get into settings, and first you need to do the gesture settings, left side glide, right side glide. Then you can customize the section from here. Alright, so everything works as it should. Everything is working. Even the widgets that you get with this launcher works perfect. There you see. Again, creating folder is really easy. You need to overlap the icons. Removing any icon is the same. So again, hitting the menu, getting into personalization, you can add additional lock screen themes and stuff. So guys, with this launcher, you have this cool animation while charging. So this is your battery level. All right, so that's really good, as in pretty unique. Okay, you can change the desktop effect, that is the transition effect on your desktop. Again, getting into preferences, so this takes you to the launcher settings. So from here you can customize your launcher. So guys, these settings are the same that you get with the other launchers. Some things have been added, like the quick launch and so on. So you can go ahead and have a look through this launcher. So this was just to inform you about this launcher. So definitely go ahead, try this out. This launcher is very smooth. There are some things, like the Chinese characters and stuff that really irritates me a lot. But nevertheless, just give it a try. That's my number 2. So the next one here is the Everything Me launcher. It's a very simple launcher, and the one I'm using here is the beta version. So this launcher is very simple, very minimal. It does not provide you with cool transition effects or customization options so that you can add skins, lock screens and so on. Very fast, very simple launcher, but it do provide some new features like the What's on Your Mind and the smart folders. So I'll come to it in a moment. So apart from that, it's a very simple launcher. Everything is common that you get with the other launchers. Your basic home screens, dock, your app drawer, widgets, nothing added to this launcher, nothing extra. I mean, we don't have any customization options that I've already mentioned. So apart from that, let's go ahead and have a look on What's on Your Mind. So if you have anything installed on your phone, if you type it here, it will take you to that app. Say for example Facebook. All right, I don't have Facebook, but it will take you to Facebook. Say for example okay, Gmail. So right from your home screen you can search your applications, or you also can use your voice command. That's added. And the next one here is the smart folders. All right, there you see. So how this works is, say for example, I don't have any games installed right now, but if I have some games, automatically that game will be added to this folder, the games folder. So in case if you want to create a folder, tap and hold, hit add smart folders, and you can select from any categories you want. Say for example videos, weather and so on. So if you download any weather app, you'll get that app in the weather folder. So very smart. So that's why we get this smart folder. So guys, whenever you create a folder, you have a unique look with this launcher. Let me just quickly show it to you. Okay, now overlap them. Now see, a very cool icon, a folder icon. You can access it. So this is a kind of productivity folder, because we have this easy uninstaller and we have the recommended apps, or say somewhat related apps on that folder. Apart from that, nothing much added, as I've already mentioned. Very fast, very smooth. So definitely give it a try. So that's my number 3. The next one here is the Dock for Droid. So as soon as you launch this app, you'll get this screen. So from here you can see the tutorial. You can enable or disable the status bar icon. If you enable it, you'll have this Dock for Droid icon on your status bar. You can disable it if you want to. Here you have your position and size set up so that you can customize the position and the size of your dock. Here you see this highlighted area which says touch me. From here you can launch your dock. All right, so just a moment guys. Okay, so from here you can change the position and the width of your dock. Again, you can customize this dock. What apps do you want to list there? Say for example the 5 most recent apps. You can add additional shortcuts, contacts, actions. You can remove any apps from the dock if you want to. So you also can do the icon size setup, icon offset, colors, and you can do the setup for this dock. And now that if you make a swipe here, you'll have your dock. So let's get to my files and just release your finger, you'll get to it. So very handy for multitasking. The next one here is the taskbar Windows 8. So this is a Windows 8 style taskbar. You can enable your taskbar, you can edit the start menu, like the taskbar theme, alright, the taskbar position, you can edit the start menu items, that is the applications. You also can do your setup for the taskbar, and now you are done. You can go back and you see this icon at the bottom, this icon, alright, you can place it anywhere you want to, and now you launch it, you will have this start bar. Alright, you have all your applications here. You can get into, you have your Wi-Fi connected, Bluetooth, alright, you can get into settings, and you have your recent applications on the taskbar. If you long press it, it will be closed. Sorry. Okay, like this. So this is how it works. Or you can tap here to clear all your recent applications, 69 apps killed, memory available, and so on. So that is, you can clear your memory from there as well. So again, if you want to hide this icon, pull your status bar, tap it, just a moment, and just remove it. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's all for this video. Stay subscribed for more. I'll be coming up with more videos. That's all. Thanks a lot for watching, and you guys have a great day. Bye bye now.